Allturn 100W Plastic Welder. This kit includes over 400 staples. Inner corner staples, external corner staples, flat staples for fine cracks, and wave staples for the larger cracks. Utility knife, wire cutters for trimming the staples, the Allturn plastic welding machine, an attachment for smoothing out the welds, and 2 plastic welding rods. When you create a molecular bond between 2 compatible thermoplastics, you call this plastic welding. When you do this process, it offers insane strength and diminishes cycle time. With this Allturn plastic welder, you can get in all sorts of nooks and crannies. This welder has the capabilities to do fine or straight, large or curved, for cracks in inner corners, or for cracks in external corners. The stainless steel attachment and plastic rods help smooth out the work after you've finished. With the added safety of copper tubes, they won't get hot, so no worries about burning yourself. Welding isn't just for metal. With the right equipment, do-it-yourselfers can also repair most plastics, and the result is usually far superior to using glue. Plastic welders can fix broken garden furniture, toys, kayaks, car bumpers, and a whole host of other items. In many cases, these welders will soon pay for themselves. Unlike glue repairs, which often crack if the plastic flexes, a properly formed weld is strong and permanent.
Start by super gluing this piece in place on this car. And we're going to use the plastic welder to repair the broken part. This is not a repair, this is to hold it in place. It comes with an assortment of different metal bracing brackets pieces. I think I'm going to use this one right here for the flat area. This is my first time using a plastic welder, so we'll see how this goes. Also comes with these little pieces that you can smooth over your repair and melt the plastic down so it looks a little better or provides more strength. Let's see what happens. Whoa.
Smoking.
Oh, it's getting red hot. Oop, pulled it out too soon. Probably have to let it sit there for a second. So the camera probably can't tell, but there's little cuts right on the legs that come up, and those are designed where you can flex the long part and break it off. And well worth the money if you have any plastic pieces that need to be repaired and maybe you're in a time crunch or you can't find the pieces that you need. This is a great tool to replace them. I'm going to use this straighter piece on the top of that there. This tip is for smoothing out your rough areas, and it comes with the plastic, basically like a plastic filler rod. Let's see how this goes.
So he's melting off the end of this little piece of plastic to go into the grooves of what he just welded.
As you can tell, it's smoothing it right up.
It doesn't give off that bad of a smell either. It doesn't smell like burnt plastic. It smells like birthday cake.
I finished with this repair, and this thing is surprisingly strong. And you got your little metal staples in there to help reinforce that, plus the plastic, you can smooth that out. I'm sure if you took some more time, you can get that really smooth. Probably make it look like it never happened. But this is on the inside of the grill, so I'm not too worried about that. This is also my first time doing it, so I'm pretty impressed with how this thing works and look forward to making a lot more repairs with a plastic welder in the future.